Euphrates poplar trees. A welcome sign of life in the desert, helping to prevent the spread of desertification. The internet is aiding the growth of Euphrates poplar trees in the desert. Through an innovative online energy-saving scheme. Yang Wei-he begins his day with a walk in the park, all part of his low-carbon lifestyle. As he saves energy throughout his day, by taking public transport or by paying his utility bills online, he's creating green energy for his virtual Euphrates poplar trees.
点开以后，可以看到我的自己的一些绿色能量。它这边，右下角有一个那个浇水的按钮，然后你直接点一下。 看到它慢慢的从一棵小树苗长成一棵大树，将来它可以给我们阻挡沙尘暴，我也很高兴。
Yang's happiness doesn't come from the online game itself, but from an online scheme called I Plant Euphrates Poplar Trees, which turns his virtual trees into real ones, planted in the desert.
我们就为老百姓 参与公益事业，搭建一个便捷的平台，通过各省林业厅帮我们把树种植好，还在那儿给你立一个小标牌儿，告诉大家，你看我在那儿有一棵胡杨树。
Sun Shui-bin and his colleagues are planting Euphrates poplar trees.
发叶子以前必须要摘完，你发叶子以后就非要摘不好了。这个时间界定是非常重要。
This kind of social enterprise initiative has been widely promoted in this Euphrates poplar plantation area, which covers almost 8,400 hectares.
以前一刮风就是大，啥都看不见，现在一有树以后，很美，当然人心情好。
每个胡杨，我觉得就像每一个战士，在那里站着，在沙漠中起着防风固沙的作用。
The scheme has turned out to be very successful, which has given Chen an idea for an even bigger global initiative. There are Euphrates poplar trees in many countries like Mongolia, Russia, Egypt, Syria, India, Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Chen wants to popularize the scheme in other countries.
How many trees, how many saplings you have planted over here?
198,000.
People in India, in rural part of the arid zone of the country, in the western part bordering Pakistan, we have a lot of this kind of situation. Sand dunes and sand dunes is there. So we need this kind of species that can grow in that area and consolidate the solid land of that area.
Delegates from India are observing with interest how this online scheme for cultivating Euphrates poplar works. An increasing number of people use smartphones in India, and there's a movement towards mobilizing public support for schemes like these.
大家形成合力，把我们的思路一代一代的传下去，把我们的胡杨修复好，变得更加美丽，变成漂亮的风景线吧。 全球来共享。
This ecological restoration scheme has been launched under the Belt and Road Initiative. With public support, these Euphrates poplar trees will play an important role in protecting our environment.